Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. With 7 wins, Ireland is the most successful country in the Eurovision Song Contest along with Sweden. Broccoli, don't cook, steaming retains more nutrients than boiling. Study without desires spoils the memory and it retains nothing that it takes in. Newborn baby greets dad with a beaming smile, instead, she recognizes his voice. Research shows cats learn to associate words with objects faster than human babies. Bookworms tend to live longer than people who don't read often. Hashima Island of Japan was once the most densely populated place on earth and now is a complete ghost town. Bananas don't eat too early, the riper the more antioxidants and easily digestible energy. He is homeless man, but every day he hands out flowers left over from the markets just to make people happy and smile. The Interlace, a unorthodox yet unique building residing within the coastlines of Singapore. Palo Santo is a sacred wood that comes from the Bursera graveolens tree native to South America, particularly in countries like Peru and Ecuador. Its name translates to holy wood in Spanish. It has been used for centuries by indigenous peoples for spiritual, medicinal, and therapeutic purposes. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, classic early sign of liver disease, jaundice, especially if it comes with dark urine, pale stools, or stomach pain. Meet 19-year-old Mahmood Akram. This 19-year-old from India can speak 46 languages and writes in 400. Hair thinning in patches. A red flag is sudden hair loss in clumps or bald spots. It could signal alopecia or thyroid issues. This is what the human nervous system really looks like. Some drugstores in the Czech Republic have introduced shampoo and shower gel filling machines. Customers can refill their empty bottles with a variety of products, reducing the need to purchase containers each time. Always stretch your body after waking up to boost circulation. Insomnia, maintain a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and try lavender essential oil. The best time for exercise is early morning or evening. In France, Dr. Payot, a 15-year-old stallion, is known for bringing comfort to terminally ill patients at Calais Hospital. Remarkably, Payot chooses the patients himself, signaling by tapping his hoof outside their door. His visits provides emotional support, often bringing peace. This bean collects garbage automatically, also known as sea bin. Wealthy families across continents lose some 70% of their wealth by second generation and a stunning 90% by the third, according to the Williams Group Wealth Consultancy. In 1990, a courier was robbed on a street in London. The robber made off with bearer bonds to value €292 million. As of 2022, this is equivalent to €758 million. This is still the highest amount ever to be stolen in street robbery. In 1999, physicist Lene Howe led a team at Harvard University that was able to slow down a beam of light to 38 meters per hour, and in 2001, they successfully stopped a beam of light. A study predicts the US will be the largest Spanish-speaking country in the world by 2050. Lincoln was famous for his self-deprecating sense of humor. When accused of being two-faced, Lincoln replied honestly, if I were two-faced, would I be showing you this one? Company creates flower shells that are regular shotgun shells loaded with flower seeds instead of birdshot, buckshot. They can be shot into the ground to plant flowers, so instead of taking a life, you are giving life back. When Bill Watterson turned down the opportunity to license and merchandise Calvin and Hobbes, it was estimated that he was turning down 300 to 400 million dollars to maintain the integrity and purity of the comic. This is how hieroglyphs and figures in ancient Egyptian temples looked before their colors faded. A simple epidemiological model of infectious disease show how riots can spread. Rioting, infectious disease, and even fake news all have two things in common: an infectious agent, an idea or a virus, and a receptive audience. Thus, infection models can be used to describe group behavior. There is a species of blue butterfly that feeds only on a specific plant, which seems to prefer the soil above mass graves. Forensic teams have followed blue butterflies in Kosovo to help them uncover the mass grave sites. In 2010, 7-year-old Stella drowned in icy water. Her body was found after 3.5 hours by a rescue helicopter and taken to the hospital. Her body temperature was just 13 degrees Celsius. Despite this, doctors succeeded in saving Stella by warming her slowly. How to make unforgettable eye contact. Begin with a smile. "50-70 rule. Break eye contact. Nod subtly to show understanding. Choose one eye to focus on if you can't focus on both. Thanks for watching.